Here's an overview of my room. And I'm standing by my door. The door is like in the corner of my room. And beside is probably like the ugliest part of my room. Just have like some cardboard like boxes if I ever need them. And then this is just some stuff that I'm selling and giving away. My backpack for school. And then next to that I have my huge TV. And under that is like the box that goes with it. A couple of DVDs. And down here I have magazines, a basket of like nail polish stuff, more like lotion and everything like that. And then I have a bag of seashells that I'm going to clean up and put around my room. There's nothing on the bottom shelf because I don't have anything to put down there as of now. Next to that is a picture of like me and my volleyball team, and then I have a chair under that. Next is my desk. On top I have a purse with sunglasses, a painting that I did, and a picture of me, Niki, and Emma. I showed this in my makeup thing. But that's all of my makeup and like some Q-tips and stuff, but all of my makeup and in this thing and down there. So this is what I use every day, and then this is like some extra stuff. And a clipboard with like some to-do things on it, like a notebook. My iPad. Over here, it's like an L shape. So this is my lamp, and it's just a lamp. Up here, I have two little cubby holes. In this one, there's a coconut from Hawaii, a Yankee candle, and a mason jar with some pens and pencils in it. This next one, I have my class ring and then just some makeup brushes in this silver thing. Next is like, next to my desk is my window. I have my trash can under my window and like some plugins. So next to my window on this side is my purse that I'm currently using, a hat that matches it, and then a bag from Hawaii that also matches it. Some CDs that I'm thinking about putting all of them in my car or just leaving them there. I really don't know yet. I also showed this nail polish shelves in my last video, but I just have like all of my nail polish in all of them. So next to that is my big dresser. And here is like, I call it my big dresser because it's got like a big mirror on it. But here's the whole thing. And this is just like, I have a bracelet on it. You don't really want to see inside of it. It just got random things in it. I'm not really going to open it, never mind. Then come all the way over here, I have this thing that I put tea lights in. I have this flower DIY that I did a couple years ago. So right above that I have another volleyball thing that is from my 8th grade year. Next to that like is a window, and then under that is this little like fold out desk thing. And I have my remote, the Harry Potter book that I'm currently reading, which is the Goblet of Fire, a water bottle, and then this lamp that I did in one of my videos, which it used to be like camouflage blue, but I painted it white. Next to that I have like I call it my bed area because it's like one big area. I can't really like show the whole thing, but here's like my bed and like my comforter and everything, and then I just threw a bunch of pillows on there, and then my blanket, other blanket that I use that's really soft. And then up here I have like lights stringing from like the whole thing, and then there's my tapestry in the corner, and then it says relax and dream, and then I have a dream catcher. This is like my favorite part of my room. Thumbnail. Okay, so next to my bed I have like a thing with like cooking stuff in it, and then I have this lap desk that I use sometimes if I need it while sitting on my bed. And then right next to my bed I have these two DIY picture things that I made. They're like collages. I also made these in a video, so you could go check that out too. So then I have my dirty clothes hamper, and then my closet is right next to that. And I also organized my closet in a video, so you can go check that out too. Next to my closet is this, I did it with, like, it's supposed to be pen and ink, but this all back here is paint, and then the white is like chalk pastel, so it's not all pen and ink, but most of it is, and like the eyes are colored pencil. But yeah, just like a snow leopard. And then come around the corner of my closet, I have this shelf right here. This is like, it's really bright because it's lit up right now, but It's like those things, like those marquee things that you can slide out, get at Target or whatever. And then the other side on the top of it, I have this candle from Avon, this Faith Hill True. I just thought it looked cute on top of there. And then I have these little seashell things, and these like are like lipsticks from the bottom. This one's like strawberry. This one's like, hang on, I need to smell it. This one's like caramel chocolate. It smells like chocolate. So then the next shelf, I have this like wire gold basket with all of like face masks and sprays and stuff in it. And then next to that I have, this is like a straightener thing, but I thought it looked cute behind all of these things. Yeah, all of these body washes. So next, under that shelf, I have my jewelry box, and then two like jewelry cases that wouldn't fit in there, and then a purse that matches like the saying that Niki got me for Christmas because of like the blue and stuff. So yeah, I just sat that there. And then on the bottom shelf I have like a black like cage of my curler, my straightener, and another straightener. And then this green bucket here is just full of like miscellaneous items, mostly jewelry. So up on the wall next to that is 3 pictures of me, Niki, and Emma. And then also next to that is my camera bag, my green screen, my lights right there, and my tripod. And next to that is what I call my little dresser. I don't know why, it's just littler than the other one. And then on top of it I have my like Harry Potter shelf, and it's got lights above it. So yeah, that's not it, part of it. That's a Chromebook. But anyway, I'll just like basically list what's on here. So another camera, I just thought it looked cute on there. A candle, another like fake candle, and some coins that I thought like matched the theme of this. My Ravenclaw scarf, because I'm a Ravenclaw. Just like a spells book that my mom gave me. My Harry Potter Trivial Pursuit. And then I have a bunch of like Harry Potter necklaces. This one is the Deathly Hallows. That's the lightning scar. And then this is a snitch and a broom. And then I also have other ones to like switch this out. It's like all the Quidditch stuff. And then my hat that I got for Christmas. And then Niki got me this cup, and then Daniel got me basically all these movies, and I'm holding these up by candles. So yeah, and then there's lights above it. So I needed something to like hang up next to that because I've got like sporadic things, you know, across my room. So I have my varsity like letters just like hanging up. Little tip, if you don't want to like stick something with a thumbtack, so you can just stick it in the wall and then like clamp this with a binder clip and then hang it on there. Look at that. So then we are back to my door and like the ugly corner and stuff. So yeah, I'll give you guys another overview of my room. Starting here, letter, varsity shelf, varsity letter, Harry Potter shelf, and then film and stuff, shelf, all that stuff.